Hi friends, I'm Malcolm, your 90th PT tutor from A1 Australia. Today I'll be sharing some very important tips and tricks for PTE reorder paragraphs, which is a task in reading. Number 1, look out for repetitive words in the paragraphs or in the passage. So if you see words like King James, James, King James, there is a very high chance that these sentences which have repetitive words which will make a pair. Number 2, look out for articles before nouns. For example, King James, a king, the king. So first it will be like this. I'll tell you a story about a king. So a will come first. Then King James. What is the name? James. Who is James? He is a king. And finally the sentence with the king. Who is the king? The means referring to a specific king whose name is James. So a, King James, the king. Rule number 3. Look out for noun and pronoun pairs. For example, I'll tell you a story about a king whose name was King James. He was born in 1924. So he, who is he? He is referring to King James. So basically see how a sentence ends and the next sentence starts. Noun, pronoun pairs, very helpful. Number 4, look out for chronology. Chronology means dates, timeline, hours. So 1920, 1930, 1935. Generally it will be time-wise. Sometimes, but not necessarily, it can also be different. But timelines are very helpful. And the last point, look out for independent introductory and concluding sentences. Introductory sentences will be standalone sentences which are very broad sentences. Think of it like a funnel, broad and then narrow. So the story will start with a broader perspective. And the concluding sentences, the last sentence of the paragraph will be starting generally with words like lastly, hence, therefore. Hope these tips are very helpful. If you like our videos, if you like our content, make sure you follow us. I'm Malcolm. Thank you.